Honeykomb Brazy, man. Definitely fuck with Honeykomb Brazy. If y'all don't know, on my first channel, I got hella videos when I'm reacting to Honeykomb Brazy. If y'all like throwback videos and etc., bro, just look up Tay Social Reacts music video reactions. I have a lot of music video reactions on my first channel, but we just came over here, you know what I'm saying, because I wanted to separate them. So make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying, if y'all like old Tupac or old songs or whatever, make sure y'all go on that channel, because I was reacting to music videos first over there. So let's go ahead and get into this video on Honeykomb Brazy, man.
Hey, this the one. Hey, this the one. That Brazy shit. Hey, this that Brazy shit. Watch out, drop out the sky, some bird doodle. Yeah, I'm back on that cool shit. Watch out, pop out, black eyes, back on that raccoon shit. Me and Harry Potter having probably side been doing too much with that broomstick. You can ask about him, grab a chopper, walk her down, and then run up and boom shit. Watch out, drop out the sky, some bird doodle. Yeah, I'm back on that cool shit. Watch out, pop out, black eyes, back on that raccoon shit. Me and Harry Potter having probably side been doing too much with that broomstick. You can ask about him, grab a chopper, walk her down, and then run up and boom shit. I put this on everything. I'm back on that Brazy shit, nigga, fuck that. If a nigga told you sweep it on the road, that mean you a road rat. I'm back on that easy eat and the cut down. I'm back on that Brazy shit, nigga, fuck that. If a nigga told you sweep it on the road, that mean you a road rat.
And that nigga be putting some shit together. Riding around with a K and a 9. I call that whole German Shepherd. I think this one takes the cake. He said a lot of crazy shit. That nigga with Jay Prince.
Easy eat and the cut down. Also down by the beat. I'm around with G and my nigga D. And they both black and forth like a GD. Nigga won't play like straight no CD. Baby gon' get on your head like some BB. Fuck that shit, I cut out the TV. In the jail and yeah, nigga free me. In the cell, we shot the BT. Now we sitting on the PJ 3D. My little partner Adderall. He been busy sleep. So when he sleep, he really sleep. I ain't capping me raw, nigga, really sweet. Ain't no boy, ain't no nigga gon' chicken me. Ain't no project P. Nigga pat on your head in my project. Niggas ain't really scream. I mean, nigga, go inside. I mean, go ahead. Got me out playing hide and seek. I made nigga open fire. Somebody go and slide. Don't let nobody get no sleep. Watch out, drop out the sky, some bird doodle. Yeah, I'm back on that cool shit. Watch out, pop out, black eyes, back on that raccoon shit. Me and Harry Potter having probably side been doing too much with that broomstick. You can ask about him, grab a chopper, walk her down, or just run up and boom shit. Watch out, drop out the sky, some bird doodle. Yeah, I'm back on that cool shit. Watch out, pop out, black eyes, back on that raccoon shit. Me and Harry Potter having probably side been doing too much with that broomstick. You can ask about him, grab a chopper, walk her down, or just run up and boom shit. Ask about him. That boy really bullshit. I just drunk a whole bottle of small water. And still this a dog shit. You should've stayed your bitch ass on the toilet. You know you was on the toilet. You know you.
That nigga said I just drank a whole bottle of smart water and I still did some dumb shit.
Done shit and I still ain't sitting him for 800 quarter. I'm on some big word shit. My OG ball head. Don't play with that house. We pull up in pearl shit. It jumping like frog leg. Like oh yeah, this is like armpit. My boy left us all dead. Nigga told before he got in the car. I told Trent from the start. I ain't see shit. I wear my hands in the dark. I wear my hands in the dark. Drop out the sky, some bird doodle. Yeah, I'm back on that cool shit. Watch out, pop out, black eyes, back on that raccoon shit. Me and Harry Potter having probably side been doing too much with that broomstick. You can ask about him, grab a chopper, walk her down, or just run up and boom shit. Watch out, drop out the sky, some bird doodle. Yeah, I'm back on that cool shit. Watch out, pop out, black eyes, back on that raccoon shit. Me and Harry Potter having probably side been doing too much with that broomstick. You can ask about him, grab a chopper, walk her down, or just run up and boom.
Make sure y'all give your thumbs up. Honeykomb Brazy, you always do a good job, bro. Make sure you give your thumbs up. I got a lot of videos. I got 3 videos coming for y'all. This is the second video. By the time y'all see this one, I'll be, you know what I'm saying? By the time y'all see this one, it'll probably be a whole different day from y'all seeing the first one. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It might be the next day. It might be 2 days after that. After the last video drop on this channel that I'm finna post. Yeah, I don't know. But I'm damn sure finna do a 3rd video. So make sure you give your thumbs up, subscribe. See y'all. Love y'all. Stay safe. Stay out of the way. Let's ride, nigga.